So in this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how to prospect or find prospects on Google. So same lang siya sa Instagram, but this one, let's focus on Google. So basically, may lead tracker na kayo, right? So that's how you do it. Let me go to my lead tracker para mapakita ko sa inyo how I really do prospecting and paano ko sila nakukuhang i-track. Okay? So basically, same lang siya nung sa Instagram part. The only thing that here is that yung sa Google mo sila nakikita. Website sila. But eventually, you will still go to their social media accounts to create or to craft a social media audit or initial social media audit. Okay? So now let's try to, for example, we are wanting to work with real estate agents. Yeah. In the US. Or if you want, we can put like New York. Iibahin ko yung examples ko. Baka sabihin nyo kasi bias ako sa coaches or anything because it's my niche. Ayan. So we have here New York's top 15 real estate agents. Wow, grabe. Okay, so we have these people. Let's check her website. See? May email, oh. Let's check her Instagram. And then, see? Oh, do you think it's a good, is it a good social media presence? Ayan, oh. Do an audit. Tingnan nyo yung post niya, yung hashtag, yung caption, yung consistency, is she consistent, the engagement, ano yung usual tactic niya, or ano yung ginagawa niya. Okay? So you can try to contact this person if you are into prospecting or targeting real estate agents. Okay, another one, we are going to target, kahit best sila, they're not really active on social media. Look, 'di ba? Kahit naka-article sila, may article sila na best sila, pero they don't have actual social media presence. They're not investing on it. Okay, so for example, this one, dito din sa maps, this is where I usually get clients din. Okay, let's try this one. Visit the website. And then as always, yung mga websites, may ano talaga yan. If you scroll down, andun yung mga IG and their contact details. So as you can see, they have an email, but wait, hanapin natin yung ano nila, social media presence. Close na natin to. Ayan. Meet the team, neighborhood guide. Ay, ito pala. Sorry, di ko nakita. So let's go to their Instagram. Oops, let me check it out again. Click. Oh my gosh, they don't have Instagram account. Let's try to search. Manhattan Realty Group. Manhattan. Oh my gosh, don't tell me they don't have social media presence. Careers. Meron sila for the career. But look, they're not active, are they? See? It's 154 weeks ago. And I think this is because, check natin kung ito ba talaga yung website nila. Yes, it's correct. See? Nag-match siya. Ay, na-close ko tuloy. Pero nag-match siya. So this is it. This is their account. But what happened? They're not active. Their last post was 2019. So which means this could be a potential client. Why are they not on social media anymore? That could be they lack time, or they don't know how to manage a social media account, or they're not leveraging from social media. So pwede kayong mag-cold email sa kanila kasi ayan o, andyan yung email nila. So for example, I'm opting for this client. So what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to put her here. Ayan. Bakit kanyan? Okay. Ay, Ay, nakakainis. Ayan. And then, of course, the IG username, which is, andito siya, MRGGNYC. GNYC. Ayan. At. Ayan. And the name is, of course, Manhattan. Ayun. Ayan. Manhattan Realty Group. And then, website is copy. Kailangan, alam ko, it's matrabaho, but it's really for you. Ayan. Type of coach, kasi it's not a coach naman. So, you can delete this one. You can say industry. Ayan. Of course, pagkatapos niyan, lalagyan niya ng real estate. Ayan. And then, what happens next is, you're gonna put here the link of the social media audit that they're going to do. Kasi, like I said, hindi natin to ipapasok sa lead tracker kung may social media manager na siya, 'di ba? Like, just like what I explained in the customer journey or in the service provider journey. So, ayan, that is how I find leads on Google.